Yes, ma'am. How are you?
So many bada.
Hey, agandi.
I feel it's my pleasure to be here. I will say, Alpha I think 2 times they have celebrated one function in Hyderabad. The third time they are taking it from India to Abu Dhabi. So that itself is very exciting.
Any upcoming projects, ma'am?
Upcoming projects, yes, in Tamil. I think it is. You must have just seen the song which I did with Kushbu Oka.
Yes,
Yeah.
Mark.
So yes, that is Aranmani 4 and Shabdam, that's in Tamil, and couple of good web series in Hindi and Malayalam project. I'm doing good projects. Thank
So
you.
Telugu audience.
I must. I should get good roles. I really want to come back to it.
Again,
Thank you, ma'am.
బాలకృష్ణ గారితో ఎప్పుడన్నా ఏమైనా
Balakrishna.
ఛాన్స్ ఇచ్చేస్తాను
Definitely, Baga character which I was.
Who is your favorite hero in Telugu industry?
ఎవరు ఫేవరెట్ హీరో మేడం
Favorite hero in Telugu industry?
Favorite hero, everyone is favorite. I can't say that.
Youngsters now, ma'am.
యంగ్స్టర్స్
Youngsters also, Baga, they are very energetic and very, very talented.
Pick one, ma'am.
No, I can't be biased.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.